Namaskar and welcome to the School of Agriculture session. The objective of this session is to introduce the food processing and diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables. The objective of this session is to have an orientation to food processing, importance of fruits and vegetables, and diploma program in value added products from fruits and vegetables. The admissions are going on, so the students can take admission into this program, diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables. So first thing is, what is food processing? The food processing is in a priority area. So the government of India is introduced a lot of schemes and giving incentives for the food processing. Why? Because it reduces food wastage and it facilitates in doubling the farmer's income, and we call it as a high growth and a high profit sector. And there are good interventions, positive policy interventions is there, and there is a good human resource requirement in this sector. So therefore, keeping all this in view, the very win-win situation for any government which reduces food wastage, enhances employability, and then helps in doubling the farmer's income, this is one of the priority area is there. So there should be focus on human resource development, and where the diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables offer a good opportunity. And if we maintain the quality, we can have the good export potential and can be export also, our products could be there. Now food processing, as we all know, it is turning the fresh food into food products, that is with the combination of like washing, chopping, pasteurizing, freezing. Many processing steps are there, and also includes addition of components are there. Let us see why. Because we are number one in many, or number two in many of the food products are there. Country is quite good, I would say, producer of many of the food products. Like in milk, we are the largest milk producer with 187.7 million tons. In fruits and vegetables, we are number two. Our fruits production is around 97.9 or around 98 million tons. Vegetable is 184. Meat also 8.11 million tons. Food grains touching around 291, or we can say 300. In fish also, in eggs also. So we are number one or number two in many of the food products, and we can export them also, but we have to maintain the quality of these products are there. Like you can see the example that one food can be converted into jam. Like this is an example of apple, we can convert into the jam. We can make the sauce also, juice also, slices, pie or dry. And this have a lot of impact. It increases the availability, then the antioxidant level also is there, make it convenient also, and the price decrease is also there, changing the flavor and texture, ensuring food safety. So these are the impact of the food processing is there. So food processing is an emerging area, is an emerging discipline because of the lot of employment opportunities, helping the farmers, and the good profit and growth rate is there. Now in our diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables, we use the word post harvest handling is also given importance. Now post harvest is, that is once the fruits and vegetables are harvested, how to take care of them is there. Because if you see the existing method, there are a good loss because of the bruise or cracking or unwanted material could be there if we transport it. But if we separate them into by hands, by using the disinfectant or the good bagging material, transport in crates, then the losses are not there. At the present, the losses in fruit and vegetables range from 25 to 30% is there. So this is a very nutrient valuable loss is there into this. Now value addition is a process through which value is added to fresh fruits and vegetables and their processed products for better quality and better returns. Like we gave the example, if you take the bananas or if you take anything and you sort them according to size and then you place them according to their how much ripen it is there, you will get the good money into there. And these are the certain examples of the value added products like fruit juices, pulp, ready to serve beverages, frozen products, dehydrated products, sugar based products, pickles and chutneys, tomato ketchup and sauces. All these products you will learn how to make if you join the program Diploma in Value Added Products from Fruits and Vegetables, and for which the admissions are going on. Because the fruits and vegetables are becoming a necessity, and particularly during this time when there is a stress is there, we say that consume more of fruit and vegetables is there. Why? Because they are called as the protective foods are there. They are the major source of nutrients, primarily minerals and vitamins are there. We call them as a power packed, nutrient dense, colorful foods are there. For your particular children, you can give them the different colors of fruits, green, red with the apple, green with the banana, similarly orange, you can give the different, and they are low in calories. They are synergistically participate in modifying the pathophysiological and metabolic aspects of the diseases is there, and we call them as a much wanted component of healthy diets also. And you also realize also whenever there is someone sick or they want to improve the health of anyone, you give them the fruits and vegetables are there, particularly fruits we give them. So this is the best gift of the nature to the humankind is there. Now how much of fruit and vegetable is recommended every day? Around 400 grams are there. Enhances the diversity in the food is there, because if you see the, as I mentioned, it will add the color to the your food table or the food plate, and it prevents deficiency disorders also, and very chronic diseases like cardiovascular diseases including stroke also, cancer, in diabetes, in cataract, and then the age related maculopathy, gastrointestinal problems, then the particularly if you have pulmonary diseases and bone health. So this is recommended for all this, and they serve the very good purpose for this is there. Like particularly if you see, they are the vital source for the beta carotene, that is vitamin A, vitamin C, folic acid and dietary fibers are there. Minerals like potassium, magnesium, zinc and calcium, and there are several bioactive compounds including polyphenols, which are, and they are relatively low in calorie, fat and sodium. Right, nowadays everyone is conscious about the health, and so they are the nutrient dense, low in calorie, low in fat and low in sodium is there. To give you the example, vegetables like green leafy vegetables, they are good source of the calcium, iron, carotene, dietary fiber, vitamin C and vitamin B complex, except B12. Vegetables we can classify into three groups: green leafy vegetables, and they will be coming very good now. Roots and tubers are rich in carbohydrates, mainly starch, and provide energy. In general, they are poor in proteins, vitamins and minerals, but potato is a good source of protein, and vitamin C also is there. The other vegetables are like brinjal, okra, beans. They are not only provide variety to diet, but also provide vitamin C, minerals, fiber, and they add bulk to the diets there. Similarly, see the importance of fruits. They are mainly prized for the vitamins and minerals, and mostly vitamin like carotene, vitamin C, amara, guava will also contains more of the vitamin C. So they are rich source of the vitamin C. Now certain fruits like banana and mango, they provide high calories because of the high sugar content is there. Then eating fruits raw and fresh makes the vitamins and minerals present in them easily available to the body. So we should wash them and eat as fresh as we can. Dried fruits like raisins, dates and apricots, they have a good source of iron and calcium. and they also contain the dietary fiber. So these are the importance of fruits and vegetables are there. Now let us see the importance of food processing. As we were mentioning, why the food processing is important, because it enhances the shelf life, add value to the products. The more important is it minimizes pre and post harvest losses and handling the problem of surpluses. Well, like you have too much of tomatoes, you can make the sauce, you can make the tomato puree, or other type of range of products can be prepared and they can serve the purpose will be there. Similarly, like in mangoes, so we can convert a range of the products could be there. Because of this, when the farmers get the good price, so they will get the productivity also. It increases the productivity, enhances the market economy also is there. And more is it is employment intensive at a small scale level. You know, in our country, we need the people should get the employment at a particular rural level, small level. So this has a good potential, and the particularly fruit and vegetable industry is where it is mainly handled by the small scale sectors is there, and it also encourages the fosters rural industrialization also. And if you see the level of processing, it is quite less is there. Fruits and vegetable processing is only 2.5% is there, and the milk is around 40%, and the wastage because of the post-harvest losses itself is 75,000 to 1 crore is there, 1 lakh crore is there. Now this could be in anywhere in the supply chain, from inputs, production, procurement, primary processing, secondary processing, and retailing could be there. Now the government of India is encouraging that the level of fruit and vegetable processing should increase. So with this, it will help in the farmers' income also. It will make the available nutrient-rich product available to all our population also. So there is going to be good employment opportunities in this sector for the fruit and vegetable sectors are there. Like to say that what is the summary is that India is the second largest producer of fruit and vegetables with like 98 million tons and 184 million tons. But then the processing is only 2.5%, and they are available throughout the seasons are there, right? The wastage, as I mentioned, there is too much of wastage is there. It could be around 20% wastage is there. Now this processing will reduce the wastage and it will increase the shelf life. More products would be available in the off season and generate the employment opportunities also. And now the variety of industries can be set up for the value added products for these things are there. Indira Gandhi National Open University, with the help of Ministry of Food Processing, started the programs, 5 programs in the area of food processing is there, where the focus is to develop technician level manpower for the post harvest management and the food processing are the value added products from these products. That is main 5 groups, that is from the milk, from that is diploma in dairy technology, then diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables, diploma in cereal pulses and oil seeds, diploma in fish products technology, and diploma in meat technology is there. Now I will request that the admissions are going on for the particularly 3 programs: diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables, diploma in dairy technology, diploma in meat technology, so the students can take the admission to this. And the more point is that particularly those who are SC and ST students, for them there is a fee concession is there for the diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables, and diploma in meat technology is in there. Now the basic objective of this program is to develop human resource for the post harvest management, primary processing of fruit and vegetables at the production site, and technician for the fruits and vegetable processing is there. Simultaneously, they will also become a good entrepreneur in these areas, particularly fruit and vegetables will be there, and they will be improve the technical proficiency of the existing workers also. It will improve, and particularly lower level people who are working as an unskilled worker, for them also it provides an opportunity to increase their knowledge and skills are there, and they will become the entrepreneur, particularly in post harvest management or value addition. In these activities they would become, because when the people are trained with the good knowledge and skills, it will also improve the hygiene, the good manufacturing practices in the processing sector is there. So what are the features of this program? It is primarily the how to procure good quality material, preparation of various value-added products like I mentioned, the juice, jam, sauces, the cut, or you can develop or new products also in what way you are there. And the prevention of the losses in fruits and vegetables and particularly processed or produce is there. Then how to do the marketing of this and the managing the small and medium enterprise. So these are well covered into this, not only the technical knowledge, but then how to start the business, how to run the business, and how to maintain the quality of the products. These are all aspects are well covered into this. Then who is eligible to join the program? Anyone who is senior secondary pass out can join the program. The duration of the program is 1 year, but the students are given freedom to complete the program in the period of 3 years is there. Then who are the target groups of the farmers? Basically, it is for the rural youth or anyone in the urban area also, if they want to go in fruit and vegetable processing or horticulture. So we say the target group includes the horticulture farmers, food processors, or skilled workers, those who are working in the fruit and vegetable processing industries as unskilled workers, or NGO functionaries, or the food processing training centers, or post-harvest technician. So the people who are working in these industries can be there. Then the next question comes, what is the employment opportunities for those students who have passed out? If you see the complete supply chain with the procurement of the material till it reaches to the retail, so the job opportunities exist. First is the procurement assistant, that how to procure good quality of the material. Fruit and vegetables is to there. Then he can become the fruit and vegetable grader, post-harvest technician, and now it is in the good demand is there in the particularly in the area of particularly procurement and the product in a properly packed house. So they can become the packed house technician, because the government is encouraging to set up the packed house or the cold storage, and these students can work there, pass out. Then they can become the junior plant operator or production technician, supervisor in fruit and vegetable processing industry. So these are the employment opportunities. Similarly, in the quality control assistant, packaging supervisor, fruit and vegetable cold storage supervisor or pack house supervisor, transport supervisor, retail supervisor, marketing assistant, store assistant. Like I mentioned, this program is to develop technician and entrepreneurs at the grassroots level. So all the job opportunities related to technician from the procurement till it reaches to the consumers, so the job opportunities exist, like extension assistant, trainer, and then he can also become self-entrepreneur as a procurer, trader, transporter, food processor, wholesaler, retailer, and export of fresh and processed fruits and vegetable products could be there. So these are the a range of the employment opportunities. More employment opportunities exist in the self-entrepreneur area, particularly under the Atmanirbhar program, which government is encouraging is to there. Now the program, it comprises 8 courses, and they are the food fundamentals, principles of post-harvest management of fruit and vegetables, food chemistry and physiology, food processing and engineering, food microbiology, food processing and engineering, food quality testing, and entrepreneurship marketing. This program is a good blend. If you want to start, it starts with the basic food, because any student can take the admission. He is either art based or science based or commerce. So to have a good knowledge, all the aspects of the food is taught in the food fundamentals is there. Then, as I mentioned, the focus is given to reduce the post-harvest losses. So a principles of post-harvest management program is there, where all the aspects related to how to reduce the losses is there. The chemistry and physiology is very important component, like the ripening, what is the stage of mature. So these things are there, and particularly nutrition importance. So this is food chemistry and physiology. Then the processing and engineering at the rural level, at the small scale level, this course is there, food processing and engineering. And food microbiology, all the spoilage of the products is basically because of the microorganisms or the enzymes are there. So food microbiology plays very important role, and nowadays also particularly with the virus, it is all comes under microbiology. The food processing engineering is when we go for the higher level of the processing, like canning. When you've seen the canned products, sometimes the beans in the tomato ketchup, or the ready-made saag which is available in the tin can. So all these products are there under the food processing engineering. For your frozen peas which are available, frozen vegetables which are available. So food processing engineering is there. As I mentioned, this is a good blend of the quality aspects also. So food quality testing is there, and then entrepreneurship and marketing, because the program eventually sets up that that students should be taught to become entrepreneur into this is there, and marketing is there. So these are the breakdown for the what are the structure from the food fundamentals. It's about the food science, then all agriculture products, then nutrition and quality aspects are there, and then there are practical related to these things are there. Similarly, in the second program, which is on the post-harvest importance is there, what are the different treatments for post-harvest, then storage and marketing, and processing and preservation is taught. And so the practical related to this, like what is the on-farm storage is there, what are the different losses which can take place, solar drying of the fruit and vegetable, primary and minimal processing is there. So these are the program is there, the practical which are taught. In food chemistry and physiology, it's food constituents, food physiology, and food fermentations is there, like acidity and pH, moisture, then crude fiber, alcohol by specific gravity method. So these are the some practicals. And food processing engineering primarily covers the unit operations, milling, size reduction, then value added products from fruits and vegetables, which you saw that from the tomato products, from mango, pickles, then the plant layout and equipment is there. You can see these are the practicals, that how to make fruit beverages, squash, cordial, jam, jelly, marmalade, then pickles and chutneys, then tomato juice, ketchup, then how do you dry the fruits and vegetables, and maintenance of machines is there. Food microbiology, as I mentioned, they are very important. If you want to extend the shelf life of the products, even the fresh or packed, the minimum microorganism contamination should be there. So related to the controlling microorganisms, food poisoning, and the safe chemical and microbial limits for different food products are there. And similarly, practical related to this are and they are into this. Similarly, in the food processing and engineering course too, as I mentioned, it is more for the commercial level. So the application of heat, water removal, then temperature reduction, and the product utilization, and the food packaging is covered. It is like I was mentioning about the canning of fruit and vegetables, then the flexible packaging materials, preparation of fruit-based carbonated drinks, then adequacy of blanching of fruit and vegetable. These are certain practicals which are there. Then the food quality and testing. So how do we judge the quality, analytical instruments? So introduction to these all aspects are there. Hardness of water, then the sodium chloride, these are there. Then entrepreneurship, as I mentioned, this is a very important component, that how to become an entrepreneur, setting up an enterprise, and assessing the performance. So the practical related, that you will be taught to how to make the project report also, then the calculation of working capital, profitability statement, taxation statement, break-even analysis, the statement of power calculation, then the how to get the lessons also. So these are the things there. So this program is a good combination of theory and practical is there, and you will have the both assessment, term and examination also, and continuous assessment also, and the 75% weightage is given to the practical component is there. Now the total time period which you have to attend for the counseling is not much. There is a total theory sessions you have to come for 6 days, 25 test sessions, and practical around 40 days. So in a span of 1 year, you have to come to the study center for about only 50 days is there. So you can attend this program, take the admission, and particularly when the fee concession is there for the SC and ST students there, it will add knowledge and skills related to the fruit and vegetables are there. Then we have the good audio video material also around 15 to 20. Besides this, we also provide the sport through the like this Gyan Darshan, Gyanvani, and this time we are also providing the web enabled academic support to the students are there. So these are certain like audio visuals, nutrition through fruit and vegetables, primary and minimal processing, preparation of wine and vinegar, affluent treatment, plant layout, production of value added products from mango, preparation of how to reduce the microbial spoilage, aseptic processing and packaging, canning of fruits and vegetables, laboratory facilities for the quality evaluation of processed product, success stories, packaging a tool for marketing. So to conclude that food processing is one of the priority areas. It has a good potential, high profit, high growth rate is there. It is well supported by the Government of India also, and this has a lot of employment opportunities. And you can, after joining the program, if you become an entrepreneur, you will be the job provider rather than the job seeking for the job is there. So, and you can develop a range of the new type of products are there. And fruit and vegetables, its importance is increasing because they are the good source of vitamins and minerals, and the consumption is increasing is there. And this diploma in value added products from fruit and vegetables, gives you knowledge and skills and attitude, particularly how to take care of the post harvest management aspects, then how to develop different type of value added products, how to maintain the quality, how you can become the entrepreneur. So these are the features of this, and this will also, you can export also your mangoes, grapes, or you take and particularly the organic products which are coming to the market. You can develop the organic fruits, organic vegetables, and you can export it and develop the new range of the products could be there. So those who want to take the admission and diploma in value added products from fruits and vegetables, they can join the program. Thank you very much.